friends, welcome back to my trail channel. In today's video I'm going to share a review about this product, which is from Blue Heaven's Brow Perfect Eyebrow Enhancer. So this product comes with the comb on one side and with the eyebrow enhancer on the other side. So this is the best 2-in-1 eyebrow product to invest. This is my recent favorite product. It just does its work so well and I'm really impressed with it. So this comes with a price of Rs.175. The net content of this product is 0.30 grams. The best part is it's pretty affordable and it does its work perfectly. So it gives you a natural eyebrow look. So you can just look into the video once. If you find the video useful, then follow my trail channel. Bye.